Yep.
There, you'll be taller than me. Come on, let's put our tent on. Put on.
Hi guys.
So let me just put our
Hi guys, so sorry about the story. Okay, we're gonna pretend to be poor today. So let's see what's gonna happen. And let's see what's the
making a video.
trouble. It's what the,
Sis.
what's all the
This is our
things gonna happen in
tent
this world.
This is our tent now, sis.
Yeah. I'm gonna rap about.
How dare you, Robbie Rob?
I'm gonna sit.
I'm gonna check the trash can.
Okay, wait.
Can I crawl?
Wait, I'll come back, guys.
About you, Kukachi.
So I'm back. So let's see.
Rotten
And
Robbie.
let's see what's gonna happen. And
Why
let's
is
see
this
what's the drama in here, in this world.
Rotten Robbie.
And
Sis, do you know who's
it's
Rotten Robbie?
boring now. Let's get up.
Sis, do you know who's Rotten
Let's go to the
Robbie?
trash can.
I'm first in the trash can.
Where's the trash can?
You forgot where the trash can is.
I'm
Let me
going to
just
the
see what I
McDonald's.
Find
I'm
the McDonald's.
gonna go to the
Burger
barn. Burger barn. Oh my goodness.
It's right here.
Let's
Let
find.
me just see.
Okay, let's find something. Actually, guys, look at my face. So cute. So cute. Just say it. It's cute, right? Cute.
I only find a bread and a muffin. Sis,
Nothing here.
which one do you want?
Nothing. I'm not hungry.
I have a bread. Your favorite bread.
Give me.
Where are you anyways?
Why this world is all boys?
You need to...
No girls?
That's kind of best. Because the first server...
No.
No guys, let's just... I'm gonna just...
Let's grab a bag.
No, don't you dare.
I'm bored. Let's become...
Here's your bread.
Give me my bread. Thanks.
I saw something else in there, so let me just go and take
I'm
it.
just gonna sit here.
I'm not gonna eat yet because I'm gonna see what was in there. It was kind of like yellow.
No one helping me. Who's that? Who's the fucking...
Oh, you said a bad word. I'm gonna tell you.
Sorry.
Told you.
Who's that bald boy? Oh, not a bald boy. That's just a car. Whose car is this? Oh, let me take that. I'm kind of sleepy.
I found a lottery. What is saying this? I cannot read actually. Oh.
Hey, hi guy.
Punch the guy.
Oh, guy. No, I don't want to.
What he
She's
want?
gonna scare me. No.
Don't. You need a gun. What would he say?
We cannot afford gun.
What is this? Say, sis, you know what they say?
It's a lottery ticket. No, wait, let me see. Let's go. It's a lottery ticket.
I hope we got like lots of money. Cause I hate people always coming to us. Anyways, that was look like a killer actually. Can you read this? Rotten Robbie. Can you read this? Come on. Let's see how many money do I have. Anyways, nobody's here actually, and let me see if this is real. Oh my gosh, we only get
How?
$200.
Okay, it's enough.
Let me just go and take the bag. Yeah. We're still a little poor, but at least we have money.
Let's go buy a house. No, a house.
But the only house available is kinda.
Let's go buy a house.
And let me just put a song in. And then
No, no, no. My
let me
gosh.
see how many houses do I want to pick. See, go in house number 11. Guys, wait a minute, guys. Actually, somebody singing, and I hate it. Oh, since we can only afford the 100 house, and that is not still. This is the 100 house. It's great. So
Oh, yeah, it's great.
we only have $100.
Let's
Is
see the bedroom. My bedroom.
we need one bedroom. This is our bedroom. Wait, sis. Sis, we only have this. Let me just put here in our $100 here.
Oh my goodness, we're really poor. No, no, no.
I'm gonna let this open cause
I'm going to get something. I'm going to beg there.
wait, I need to find food. Oh my god. We can only survive like 1, 2, 3. We can only survive in 6 days. No, 8 days. We
I
can only
I cannot
survive.
afford a car. I have to walk.
Wait a minute. We need sis. We have to rob. Sis, I need to rob actually.
Told ya.
Pack I did pack bomb actually. Did you never know I pack a bag?
They're so lucky to have a school.
Let me just see if I. Oh my gosh, no. Actually, nobody did come, so.
Oh, thank you.
How
Thank you,
many
guys.
money did you get?
She gave me 300.
That's a lot. A little lot, but not still.
I have to go
I'm
somewhere.
robbing sis. I'm sorry, we need to rob. I have gold. Sis, I know we don't need to rob because we are poor. We don't know what to do. Anyways, let me just put my muffin.
Let's just come here and
Sis, I forgot to eat my muffin.
yeah.
I'm just gonna take this. How can I take this?
This
Anyways,
guys, this guy is so cool.
which guy? Because I
Guy.
cannot see it.
If you want that guy thingy, if you want to be his friends, just
But I don't want to be anyone's friend.
look at it. This is her name. If you want to be his friend, just add her name
We
like
have
this.
diamonds. We have diamonds.
She's
Now
good.
we
She's
have diamonds. Diamonds.
a great friend.
Sis, we have a problem.
I have to go home,
The
guys.
alarm. Kind of like a long time ago. We take a long time. How did I get in there? I have to rob this money. We need lots of money. Is this only coin actually? Yeah, I cannot open this. I know.
I'm finally
Oh my
here.
gosh, sis! If you were here, I can just let you in here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna rob a bank.
You're lucky. You didn't rob a bank, but I rob a bank. Anyways,
How to open this TV?
what did you say, sis?
Oh no. Oh no.
What? Oh no.
Oh no. Guys, I have to leave.
Kasi
Sorry.
oh,
Guys, we just leave because something happened. We didn't finish the video. Sorry about that. But maybe we're gonna be back in
like
a minute. We're gonna make a video in a minute. So don't
sis,
worry about us who miss my cute piece in Roblox.
if you
In my cute.
if that was not cute.
That's cute.
Yes, Yes, the face is cute, but you're an emo in there. So say
Yeah, I don't care.
So let's just say bye. Bye guys. If
Okay guys, bye. So, we're just gonna come back in a minute. We're gonna make a video in a minute.
yes.
So, don't worry about us. And
Yes.
sorry about we didn't finish the video.
We will
Sorry,
make a part
bye.
two.
Bye-bye. We're gonna make a part 2. Maybe not or maybe yes.